Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try sky blue and white half sleeve shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try cream printed half sleeve shirt with greyish white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try cream polo full sleeve t-shirt with tan pants and tan boots. Next you can try red t-shirt with grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black half sleeve shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try red and white striped t-shirt with cream pants and white sneakers. Next you can try orange oversized shirt with black pants and red and white sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with tan cargo pants and black boots. Next you can try cream shirt with grey pants and grey loafers. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with dark grey pants and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 polo t-shirt outfit ideas.